Hey makers, it's Mel. Today on Makers Moments, we're talking all about candle safety. Have you ever seen a candle go up in flames? I have, and it's not pretty. Fire is definitely a force to be reckoned with, and with it comes a certain level of knowledge and respect. Here in the candle world, there are a few important rules we live by when making and burning candles for proper safety. First, to ensure that a candle does not overheat, it should not be burned for longer than 4 hours during each burn cycle. Sometimes people want to power burn their candle or forget that it's lit and will leave it burning for hours on end. This is highly dangerous as the candle's temperature continues to rise as it burns into the vessel, creating a heat vacuum. This type of concentrated heat is highly combustible and can even cause a candle explosion. Additionally, candles should never be left unattended or placed near high traffic areas or flammable objects to avoid catching fire. Curtains, wall hangings, and tablecloths are notorious for turning into unwanted fire hazards. Wicks should also never be blown out to avoid releasing hot embers into the room, but should be snuffed using a candle snuffer or lid to deprive the flame of oxygen. Here at the Wooden Wick Co., we've developed a few simple tools to help ensure your safety even further. We have a pre-made candle warning label that can be adhered to the bottom of your candle. It includes proper burn instructions so that your customers know how best to care for their beautiful creation. Our wick clips are also created to be a safety height above the bottom of your vessel, allowing heat to properly circulate and further reduce the possibility for overheating. If wax conservation is a concern of yours, we've also created an additional low-profile wick clip that can be used in smaller candles such as our tea lights or tins where fire hazards are less of a concern. If you're burn testing and your flame is larger than approximately a ½ inch and throwing lots of red embers or smoke, put it out immediately and you'll want to wick down appropriately to find a more optimal flame. And if for whatever reason you find yourself in a fiery candle situation, never throw water on wax that has caught fire. It's important to smother fires like this using a heavy fireproof blanket or fire extinguisher. Additionally, if you're pursuing candle making as a business, it's important to make sure you have the proper insurance coverage for your candle company. Each state is different, so be sure to find out your local and state regulations before pursuing your candle insurance. Now that you're officially a candle making safety expert, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!